Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY face mask out of jeans. So just a disclaimer, this is not to substitute any sort of medical advice. I will link to the CDC down below so you can read all of the guidelines that they have listed on there. This is not an N95 mask or a surgical mask or anything like that, but it is better than nothing at all. So I do want to point out the reason that I am using denim. I was reading an article that I will link down below that was really interesting in terms of which materials that you should use to make a DIY mask out of. So basically what the article suggests is that you should use a thick tight woven material, basically something that you cannot see through. So if you have something that light is passing through, if light can pass through it, chances are high that something else can pass through it as well. So I have a scarf here which I'm also going to be using for this DIY, but see how you can see through this, see how light passes straight through this. I can see the camera without any problem. So this is not something that's going to be at all effective as a face mask by itself, but we are going to use it in the DIY. It's going to be really helpful. You're not going to be using any elastic in this DIY. I have tried making several masks with the hair ties like people are suggesting. They just don't stay on very well. If you don't have anything else, obviously definitely use the hair ties, and you know, if you need to use something elastic, they don't stay on very well. So I wanted to try and make something that is going to be effective and that will actually stay on your face. I did make some sewn ones as well. Basically what I used for these were the outer layer is a thick layer of flannel, the inner layer is denim, so I did use denim in these as well, and then the layer that goes on your face is a really soft cotton material, and then I put good elastic on these, not hair tie elastic. It just goes on your face like so, and it stays on great. So I did link these in my Etsy store, which I will link down below if you are interested in purchasing one that has a little bit more structure to it, or you can use this DIY to make your own. Okay, so like I said, for this DIY, you're gonna need, this is a scarf, but you could really use any long piece of fabric. Basically, it just needs to be long enough to tie around your head. You're also going to need a pair of jeans, old pair of jeans, and you're going to just cut the leg off of it. See, this is just the leg that I cut off of an old pair of jeans. You can cut it really however you want. It doesn't really matter. You just need enough fabric to be able to have, you know, a substantial amount for your face. Okay, so you're going to take the leg that you cut off of your jeans. I just cut about 12 inches. And then you're going to fold it up just like this, and then like this, and then just depending on how long you want it to be to go around your face, you can always just kind of fold it over like that if you want it to be just a little bit shorter. Really, it's just your personal preference, and you can just kind of play around with it and figure out how long it needs to be to effectively cover your face. Okay, so then you're going to take your other piece of fabric, whatever you choose to use, and you are going to just take the leg of your jeans and put it in the middle. So then you take this and you wrap it around it, just like that. Try to make sure that the fold of it is going to be the back side of your mask, and you could even take like a safety pin or anything just to make it a little bit more secure, but you absolutely do not have to do that. So this way you have these two loose ends at each end. So then you are going to take this that you just made, and it simply goes around your face. And this is so much better because you can actually tie it to go around your face and it will actually stay on your face. It's not going to slide off. It's not going to come off with the hair ties. Again, I also have the ones that I made. These will stay on. The elastic is much better than the hair ties. But they are linked in my Etsy store, which is linked down below. I am making these to order, so they will ship in a day or so. But that is my tutorial for you guys, and I hope that this helps someone if you need to make a face mask. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next